In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Confluence space, a crucial skill when you need to share your documentation externally or keep it backed up offline. This is a straightforward process that can make your work with Confluence much more versatile, so let's dive in. First, let's begin at your Confluence homepage. This is where you'll find all the spaces that you have access to. From here, locate and click on the specific space you want to export. This will take you straight into the content of that particular space. By doing this, you're basically telling Confluence, this is the space I'm interested in exporting. It's like taking a snapshot of all the valuable information housed within that selected space. Once you're in the desired space, the next step is to navigate your attention to the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a cluster of 3 dots arranged vertically. We often refer to these dots as an ellipsis, or simply More Options. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with various options relevant to the space. Think of this ellipsis as a gateway to advanced features, allowing you to tap into more specific tools and options for managing your space. After accessing this menu, look for the Export option. Selecting this will take you to the export settings for your space. Exporting essentially means converting your space's content into a different format for ease of sharing or storage. Think of it as converting your digital library into a format that can be transported or shared effortlessly. When you select Export, you'll be presented with 2 choices: exporting your space to Word or to PDF. The format you choose largely depends on how you plan to use the document. If you need to edit the document further or collaborate on it, exporting to Word might be the best choice. Word files are excellent for further editing post-export, thanks to their compatibility with various word processing software. On the other hand, if you're aiming for a read-only format that maintains the original layout and design, exporting to PDF is your go-to option. PDF files are widely used for documents that require consistency in their display, no matter where they are viewed. To summarize, exporting a Confluence space is a simple yet powerful way to manage your knowledge assets. By navigating from your homepage, selecting the space, and making a decision on the format you need, you can quickly move your Confluence content from one digital environment to another, ensuring your information is as flexible and accessible as you need it to be. And there you have it, a fuss-free guide to exporting your Confluence space. Happy exporting, and keep your documentation journey efficient and seamless.